Alright. So today we are at a national park near Prachuap. It's actually famous for the waterfalls that it has here. Ami and I are at, it's called the Huai Yang National Park. Namtok Huai National Park. But it's got a campground and restaurant. And anyway, we are on our way up to the waterfall because there's a couple of waterfalls, I guess, at different levels. So we're gonna walk up there and take a peek and see what we can find. Old dinosaur. Huh? I don't know what happened here. There we go.
English Silo.
Yeah. Wow. The bones of an old soy dog. It's really beautiful up here. This time of the year is really nice to come too because it's, you can hear it, but there's a breeze blowing. This is actually a campsite as well, so people can bring their tents and hang. There's a person down there that's showing us the way. I don't know, with the time of the year, I know the waterfalls, I understand it, the waterfalls are sort of dependent upon how much rain we've had, and there's certain times of the year where there's a little more water than others, but so I guess we'll find out once we get there, but either way it's still beautiful here. You want to live there? Yeah. Yeah. Do you have the you have the tickets? Yeah. Okay. You're gonna enter the area where we'll start climbing up, and a map of the trail here. Namtok Huai Yang Natural Trail, or Nature Trail, excuse me. I can't even read English, let alone Thai. And the different levels. From what I understand, the last two, you need a ranger to go with you because you have to go up a rope and it's actual climbing. Not sure we're going to go up the last two. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. The Mahaprom.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Yeah.
All over Thailand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice. In the shade. Perfect day. Not sure how long this video is going to be, but do our best to bring you along the way for a walk into the park in the waterfall area. Do not pick the flowers, huh? Alright. What do you think? Good exercise. Sawadee cup. I don't think climbing these or walking through here in the summer would be a bargain, but right now it's just perfect. Since we're in the middle of winter here in Thailand, which means it's going to be a frosty 85 today. But here in the shade and the slight altitude, 500 or 1,000 meters up, I guess, it's actually nice and cool and it's really beautiful. Good time to be here. I'm surprised there are not more locals here today, since it's Saturday, but it's okay. Now, as we move up in elevation a little bit, I'm not sure if it's the wind I hear through the trees or a faint sound of the first waterfall. We shall see. I believe that is the sound of the waterfall that we're hearing. The first one, there's different levels and different waterfalls, but the first one we're coming up on here. Okay, I will. Very cool rocks, big boulder formations here, and the the steps are actually all of the natural rock. I'm sure they were placed here to give you some easy steps up, but still kind of cool since they're all natural. Boulders, rocks, and tall trees blocking the sun. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll stop and see if you can, but the waterfall, first one, I believe, is pretty soon. Let's hope the sound wasn't somebody that was setting a record in the bathroom. Oh, there you go. First tier.